For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Indian Council of Medical Research has released a report saying that Karnataka has conducted the highest number of COVID-19 tests on contacts traced with the help of the civic administration, police and technology. It is anticipated that Karnataka's effort in quick contact tracing, testing and quarantining them is one of the reasons why Karnataka is successful in containing COVID-19 compared to most states in the country. A study conducted by researchers from Indian Council of Medical Research has said that Karnataka has tested 93% of the COVID-19 contacts it traced. The ICMR has taken testing data from January 22nd to April 30th. The study has also revealed that India has tested only 20% of the COVID-19 contacts. Interestingly, the worst affected states, Maharashtra and Delhi, have tested only 8 and 9% contacts respectively. Not just in contact tracing, Karnataka has stopped in testing primary contacts as well. Karnataka has tested 47 primary contacts per case. India's average is 6 primary contacts per case. Kerala and Tamil Nadu have tested 11 and 14 primary contacts per case. The study was conducted by ICMR when COVID-19 cases were very low in the country. COVID-19 cases had not crossed 30,000 mark in the country when the test was conducted. India has now reported over 3 lakh COVID-19 cases, and it would be difficult for authorities to trace, test and quarantine all the contacts. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain has said that they are now tracing only close contacts of COVID-19 patients, whereas 500 to 600 contacts were traced earlier for each COVID-19 patient. Delhi has reported over 41,000 COVID-19 cases.
Earlier, in one case, contact tracing would be done for up to 600 people. And today, we multiply 1,500 cases with 600. It gives us 9 lakh people for contact tracing.
Apart from Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu are among the other highest COVID-19 contact testing states. Both Tamil Nadu and Kerala have tested 75% of COVID-19 contacts. Kerala has tested 40 contacts per COVID-19 patient and Tamil Nadu has tested 44 contacts. Tamil Nadu is the second worst affected state in the country despite testing 75% of the COVID-19 contacts. It has reported over 44,000 COVID-19 cases.